above the Kent countryside. But this one's unique. A two-seater, meaning passengers can take to the skies. Back on the ground, this is that very aeroplane, BE505 L-XP, getting ready to take its very special next guest, Eugenie Brooks.
I'm feeling very emotional, very excited. I'm very proud to be going up in my dad's Hurricane, as I've kind of renamed it. And I'm doing this for my dad, for him, in memory of him, of his mates who never came back, and not only Fighter Command, but Bomber Command and Coastal Command as well.
John William Brooks, DFC, DFM, who sadly died in 1993, flew the actual Hurricane Eugenie is about to fly in. You can only imagine how nerve-wracking this must be. Not just getting in a Hurricane, that would terrify most people, but knowing it's the one that your father flew during the war. Quite an amazing experience ahead, I think. And so with pilot Anna, the journey begins.
During the Battle of Britain, Biggin Hill had far more Hurricane squadron than the Spitfires, but to have this Hurricane, or these Hurricanes back here, and to have this particular Hurricane, which is a two-seat Hurricane, and to have a young lady who's going to sit in the back seat of this Hurricane because her dad actually flew this particular Hurricane, I think is an absolutely fabulous story, and I know it's going to be a really emotional time for her.
In the air, Eugenie can experience the abilities of this plane, which made it her father's favourite. A maximum speed of 340 miles per hour. Able to climb to 36,000 feet. And a 40-foot wingspan, making it hugely manoeuvrable. You can see why the Hurricane was so vital during the Battle of Britain. All too soon for this special passenger, the plane touches down once more at Biggin Hill. So how was it?
It was better than I could ever expected, quite frankly. It was absolutely amazing. Anna let me actually fly her for most of the trip. She had to take over a couple of times because she did tend to think that I was skimming quite close to the ground. But it's amazing, and then to fly over Manston, or as I call it, RAF Manston, because that's what my dad used to call it, and we did about 500 foot right the length of the runway, and we waggled the wings as well. Absolutely amazing. It was fantastic.
But taking someone flying in a two-seater and someone with such a strong connection with the Hurricane, it justifies all the effort put into making this two-seater.
Clearly a hugely emotional experience, done to honour her father and all who flew defending these islands during the Second World War. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.